CBSE issues final notice to schools for mandatory document uploads. IGNOU launches BA to MSME to foster entrepreneurial skills. MIT offers financial and educational benefits to veterans and their dependents. Minister Govindarajan calls for night patrolling in educational institutes and student safety. Andhra Pradesh to reform intermediate education system with major changes.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni and today's top education news are: the Central Board of Secondary Education has issued a crucial notice urging all the affiliated schools to ensure that their websites are functional and include a mandatory detail. This includes uploading teacher qualifications and other required documents for public disclosure. Despite repeated instructions, many schools either lack a functional website, have inactive links, or have incomplete information. The CBSE has given a final 30-day deadline for schools to comply. Schools are required to upload all prescribed documents and display them prominently on their website's homepage as a part of mandatory public disclosure process. This is the last opportunity for non-compliant schools to adhere to the guidelines. Indira Gandhi National Open University has introduced a new bachelor's program in micro, small and medium enterprises through open and distance learning mode. This 3 years undergraduate course starting in January 2025 aims to nurture entrepreneurial skills among students. The program offered by IGNOU's Schools for Vocational Education and Training covers key aspects for business management including market demand analysis, business operation and financial management. The course priced at Rs 5,100 per year is designed to develop managerial skills and leadership skills through competency-based approach. Admissions are open for both January and July sessions, providing flexibility for students. The Massachusetts Institute of Technology offers significant financial support to veterans and their dependents, ensuring education is accessible. Veterans of US Armed Forces can benefit from various VA programs that reduce the cost of attending MIT. With financial need calculated independently of parental income, MIT provides full need financial aid with need-blind admissions, offering tuition-free education for families earning under $2 lakh annually. For dependents, MIT offers two main programs: the Dependents Education Assistance Program and the Fry Scholarship, supporting children and spouses of disabled or deceased veterans. These benefits aim to ease the financial burden on veterans and their families pursuing higher education at MIT. Following a recent sexual assault incident at Anna University, Tamil Nadu's Higher Education Minister Govindarajan has urged all educational institutions to imply the night patrolling on campuses to ensure student safety. In a meeting with state university registrars, he emphasized the importance of well-lit campuses, functional CCTV cameras, and monitored access for outsiders. The minister also recommended setting up streetlights in isolated areas and ensuring that faculty and students wear ID cards. Additionally, he encouraged all female students to download the Kalva Utavi app for safety. The meeting also reviewed internal complaints, online courses, and dropout rates. The Andhra Pradesh government is set to overhaul its immediate education system, including the cancellation of public exams for the first year. As the part of reform, first year exams will be conducted internally by colleges, while the second year exams will remain under the intermediate board, aligning with CBSE model. The changes aim to better prepare students for competitive exams like NEET and JEE. Starting from 2025-26 academic year, NCERT textbooks will be introduced, bringing up AP in the line with 15 other states. The reforms also include revising the syllabus, including new subject combinations and refining marks allocation. Stakeholders are invited to submit feedback by January 26, 2025. That's all for today's news. Signing off with Pallavi Kulkarni. For more such news and detailed information, log into our website www.theenn.com powered by Education Today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment on this video.